Hello guys, our topic for today is how to install Skype. So first, obviously you have to download this Skype at skype.com/en get Skype. So let's go install it. Click yes, of course, and then install. And
6.5 hours later.
there you go. Obviously, you just have to log in, or if you don't have account, so you can create one here. Just fill in your phone number, or you can use our email instead. So I'll try to log in, okay? And at first log in, you'll encounter this one. So let's just, if you want to upload, you can upload your photo, but I'll just skip this. Also, you can test here your microphone. You can adjust. You can test audio. And you can make also a free test call. So this is already good for me. You can choose your microphone here, like default or microphone. Skip that, and if you have camera, better to put it. Okay, so let's just skip that. Find contacts. So, easy as that, right? Easy as that. So you can search people. You can go to settings, check your settings, appearance. You can change purple, pink, blue. Here you can set up also your microphone or speaker, messaging, notifications, and contacts. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.